channel, Candy Top. Today we're gonna make a simple but delicious vanilla cake. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need baking powder, cane sugar, all-purpose flour, milk, butter, vanilla extract. You can a teaspoon, a tablespoon, whisk, and a mixing bowl. So 2 things before getting started. Make sure to get an adult to preheat your oven for 350 degrees. And don't forget to grease your cupcake pan or cake pan. First thing we're going to do is cream the butter and the sugar together in the bowl. So see, now the butter and the sugar is in the bowl together. Now we're going to mix it. Guys, now it's all mixed together. Oh guys, did you know if you add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix, it turns into buttercream frosting. But we're making cake. So let's get to it. So you want to add 2 eggs to this recipe. Ooh, okay. Open like a chicken. Crazy thing would be if I cracked it open and there was a little baby chicken instead of egg yolk. Look at the eggs, guys. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put the eggs into the mixture. So now we've mixed the eggs and the butter together. Now we're gonna add the vanilla extract. So now we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Here's the second one. Now we're gonna mix it in. The vanilla with the eggs, sugar, and butter. So now you're gonna need 1 3/4 of baking powder in your flour. You wanna stir together the baking powder and flour. So now you wanna mix in the flour and the baking powder with the mix of the eggs, butter, sugar, and the rest of that. It's fluffy. The unicorn. Let's start whipping. Okay guys, let's see how creamy it is, but we're not done yet. It looks beautiful. So last ingredient, we're gonna need to add the milk and with the rest of the stuff. Okay guys, we're all done. Now we have homemade cake batter. See, nice and silky. So now it's the time where you can get your cake pan or your cupcake pan and just pour the batter in what you use. Okay guys, I'm done. I'll see you tomorrow when I ice them and give them a try. Bye!